everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1957 Chevrolet two-door hardtop Bel Air. Killer car, guys. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. It's got 1,300 miles on a complete body-up restoration. Love the color combination. Flame red with red interior. Just a neat car. Car sits good. They've got it lowered down a little bit. Slick flame red paint. It's got 18 and 20 inch American Racing torque thrusts all the way around it. Of course, that iconic 57 front grille that looks like a shark just going to eat you. I love that look. Good looking car. Little stone pack on it. Good, solid West Virginia body. See, the dash in there's nice. Pretty car. Cold AC. Flip down. I'm going to check, see if we can adjust. I don't know if those are adjustable. Those things are a little bit of a pain on this car. Love the red on red. This is one of those cars, if you've heard me describe it, it's got eyes. It just looks good, man. It just jumps out at you. A little discolorization on that right there. Pretty. They definitely replaced the bumpers on the car. Again, sits good, nice and straight down the sides. ZR rated rubber all the way around it. It's got great sound. Wait till we fire this thing up. My buddy out of Tennessee, who's the one who got me this car, him and his wife drove this car for a weekend. Said it's a great car. .20-inch torque thrust on the rear. .18s on the front. Upgraded the front disc brakes. Good looking car. 350 with 350 turbohdyramatic trans. Brand spanking new chrome front AC compressor on the car. Holley 4-barrel. It's got a polished aluminum intake. Billet air cleaner and valve covers. Does have a set of headers on it. HEI distributor. You can see it's got the stock looking radiator with the electric fan. Power steering. It's got the upgraded 605 box on it. Power disc brakes. And again, ice cold AC. It's got the serpentine pulley system. Good looking car. look good. Listen, the car's just one of those cars that, man, get in, turn the key, go have fun. Got some billet trim on there. New sill plates. It's got the factory bench seat, but they've done it in a vinyl and a tweed in here. Stock steering wheel. Headliner looks good. Factory dash, yeah, 1305 on your odometer. Looks like it's got an aftermarket Stewart Warner amp gauge on it. Retrosounds radio. Definitely looks like they've upgraded the blower motor system on it. I think I told you 350 turbohdyramatic trans, Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got the stock rear axle, but it's got a 370 gear in the back. Clean car, man. Does have the spare. I don't see a jack. Everything opens and closes real nice. Clean underneath. As always, there's photos on the website of the bottoms of the cars, the floors. I cannot encourage you enough to pick up the phone and call us if you're looking at a vehicle at Southern Motors. Make sure you are on southernmotors.com. 3 different customers this week that have gotten scammed. One guy just left here an hour ago, bought a car from us, and but he's dealing with a scam out of Arizona. I cannot encourage people enough. Pick up the phone, talk to people. They definitely repadded, refoamed these seats. I mean, and again, guys, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Nobody's giving away classic cars, and if it looks like a $100,000 car and it's 40 grand, there's a reason. Something's wrong. Get your air on. That's a good little car right there, man. Sounds good, nice and tight. Temp gauge works, amp gauge is down there working, fuel gauge works. Nice little cam load to it. Great sound. Radio works, blower motor works. They've upgraded it to electric wipers. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.